My relationship with my friends and family is one of the most important reasons why I continue to use Soberlink. The first inspiration came from a very brave friend of mine who came up to me and just point blank said, "Shimon, you always smell like alcohol." I knew I was an alcoholic. I just thought nobody else did. And I thought, I'm functional. I had jobs, I had girlfriends, I paid bills, all that. She was the one who made me realize that I had a problem. More and more friends got very concerned. And eventually one of them helped to get me to a rehab. I was first introduced to Soberlink at a sober house. I asked my house manager if he'd be willing to be one of the people who gets the response, and he was, and a family member also agreed. I will use any tool I find if it can help keep me sober, if it can help remind me that the journey's not over, that I still have more to do. So it's a good reminder every day. My relationship with my friends and family is one of the most important reasons why I continue to use Soberlink. In fact, there was a period, maybe after about a year of sobriety or so, where it occurred to me maybe I don't really need it. And so I talked to my sister, who gets the emails every day, and she was like, "No, you're going to keep using it." And okay, fine. Because I'm using Soberlink, my relationship with her and the rest of my family is one of more and more trust. Regaining that trust as part of my living amends is one of the great benefits that I get from Soberlink. I now have a whole bunch of friends that never knew me when I was drunk, and it's nice to see the trust that they just come to expect from me because they've seen me living my life the way I should be doing it.